Hello, hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change this normal composition radio to a CarPlay radio. So let's get started. I ordered this radio from Alibaba or AliExpress. Sorry. This one, it arrived with, so this one comes with 6.5 inches display, which is kind of a bit big. Sorry for the weird radio angles. And this is pretty easy. So this is the radio. This is how it looks. And it's pretty easy. You just need to plug in the wire there and the radio wire here. I got an adapter with it. I'll have to try this to put the radio adapter. So let's get started. To unplug this radio, you need those pins. I've ordered them from, you can get them easily online. So, sorry, let me get them. All right. So what you need to do is, first of all, take this one, open this cup up and remove this one, and then it will be easier for you to unplug the upper part. So let's switch off the car. Just a gentle press, a bit of force. So this is unplugged. Like that. Make sure you don't break all this pins and plugs. Sometimes this one falls down, so make sure you be careful with it. And now we start opening this one. So start from the bottom, that will be easy. Be a little careful with this part, because this part is a bit like it can break up. So do it gently, take your time. Yeah, or you can just pull the whole unit. The AC unit can also be pulled out with it. That's also possible. Or you just unplug the pins. Well, I left in between to pick some tools. This will make it a bit easier, hopefully. Yes, so here we have it. I haven't damaged anything. Okay, everything is nice. When I was pulling it out, I threw this rubber, so I'll replace it. Okay, so here we are. Now we keep the cover aside. Now we need those pins. Those pins, you can insert them here. Well, it shows like this. So one, this one like this, 2, you will hear a click sound. That means it is inserted properly. So we have 3. Oh, sorry. This one needs a bit of force. Let me try it. Well, yeah, here it is. So when you take out the radio, you have this cable. Let me bring in the camera. So this, basically this and that, the antenna part. So I'll unplug this one, the bigger power cable. You can just the down part, just pull it gently upwards with the click system here, and it's unplugged. And the radio cable, it's again a small pin here. Sorry for the weird camera angles. Push this in and take it out. So here we have the normal radio. You can unpin, you can take the pins out again. For doing that, you need to press this and take them, pull them out. Basically, you don't need them anymore. This is only needed to take out the radio. We have the radio out. Okay, so we keep this aside. Don't need it anymore. So here it looks like this now. What I will do, I will take the new CarPlay radio. Sorry. So I have to check first of all if I can put this straight away. Let me check the pins. They are same. No, they're not. So let me see the adapter. This is the original one. Let me see the adapter. What does the adapter show? Yeah, so we can use the adapter which comes with the one I bought. So we can use this one. So here it is. This is the CarPlay. Insert this. You hear a nice click. This is basically for the radio. And then I plug this one here. Nice and gentle. Now the power plug. Show you guys. So this is how it looks. Just insert the power plug there. And you hear a click, and that's done. So, well, that's pretty much with the installation. So now let's check it if it works. So there it is. Yeah, it works. And media, okay. So this is my previous my data from my previous radio. So I will show you how the CarPlay works. Well, in that case I need to bring another iPhone. Well, so this is how it works. Let me go to settings, language, English. Yeah, so here it is. It works. What I did is I took the AC out, so then it plugs very well. Now gently put it back again. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's all good again. Now put this cover back. Yeah, so that's it. Now I have this CarPlay unit in my car. It looks better. So here I start my car. Make sure everything works. Yes. So I'll start my car. You guys, as have promised to show you how the Apple CarPlay works. So you connect your USB Lightning cable to the Apple CarPlay radio, and then connect your iPhone. So I have taken another iPhone. The thing is that it only works when you have connected it to the iPhone or Android. So let me connect this. So the moment I've connected it, it said detected, connect. So there it is. So this is how it works. Very smooth. You can use Google Maps, Flitsmeister in the Netherlands, and you can also access your music. You can call straight away from here, and the mic is pretty clean and clear. So that's it for the Apple CarPlay part. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, mention them in the comment. But I thought to put this video because it would be helpful since I couldn't find it on YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.